Kia ora. Let's explore how equilibrium plays a vital role in your everyday life. So we'll have the question, do chickens sweat? So I don't know if you know the answer, but they don't. And it's because they hyperventilate. And when they hyperventilate, they have this reaction. So let's have a look to see what the question is. And it's time to apply your Chatelier's principle that you've learned in the system. So we're going to work out what the stress is and what the system's response will be to that stress. So let's have a look. When the chicken is hot, it breathes out a lot, hyperventilating, so it is removing carbon dioxide from its body. So the carbon dioxide is, if you have a look, what you think it would be, and hopefully you have chosen that the carbon dioxide in the body is going to decrease. So let's have a look and see what the response will now be. If my carbon dioxide is decreasing, what will the system do? Will it shift towards the carbon dioxide or away? Will it form less or form more? And hopefully you would have chosen that. And so the system, by the Chatelier's principle, is going to shift towards the decrease. And so this shows it pictorially. The stress is carbon dioxide going down, so the response is to make more. So we're going to have more of water being formed and less of that, those two, because they're going to form the carbon dioxide and water. And then there's got this little warning here about if you've got too little H+, then it could be fatal to the chicken. And if you want to do something about that, when you've been hyperventilating, you breathe into a paper bag. So you collect the carbon dioxide in the paper bag and you breathe that in again to raise your carbon dioxide levels. Now, here's the next one, is what happens if your chicken smokes? So if your chicken smokes, what is going to happen to your carbon dioxide levels in the body? And the carbon dioxide levels actually go up. And the reason for that is because your lungs don't work as efficiently, so it can't actually get rid of the carbon dioxide very much. So if your carbon dioxide is going up, then I hope you know from the Chatelier, it'll shift away. And so what is now going to happen? So there's the equation again. The stress is, this is going up, so the shift is to go away from it to try and decrease that. And so we're going to form more of this and we'll have less water because the shift is towards the right. And as we're increasing more H+, then we could affect our blood levels in terms of the pH. And that can also be fatal to the chicken. And so if you get a bit too acidic, then you can have your sodium hydrogen carbonate intravenous liquid to try and increase your pH again. So hope you enjoyed this. Goodbye.